don't understand. What is happening? Please talk to me. What have you done to my brother? You married him?
Yes, I married him.
Wiki. Hi! Wiki, what? This wasn't our plan. You cured him and you married him. Why?
Your plans of killing him, you mean? Hell no. Listen, Bakwe. Obina is mine now, okay? Because I have realized that he is so sweet in bed. He is very, very good in bed. I mean, I need an offering, okay? I need a man too.
Hi! Wiki Garagwanom. Wiki, you would have told me it's because of Bola. Eh? Why? What about my own plans, Wiki? What about my own plans? It's me.
You know what? Let's have a bargain, okay? I can help you kill his wife and child if you wish, okay? But as for Obina, is a no-no. He's my husband now. He is mine now, so stay clear.
No. Weke, no! I disagree with you. In fact, see, Weke, don't even allow me to start vibrating. Oh, you think I'm scared of you, right? If you don't like what will happen now, I will start talking. I will start telling everybody what you have been doing in this village. And if I open my mouth, you will not like me. Weke, don't try me. Just stick to our plans. Just... Weke.
Paulina, what do you do with my Ultimatum?
DIKACHI, I have tolerated you enough.
Come on here for my front. I said, what did they do with my Ultimatum? I talk him. I tell Akuna no hear me. You don't back my Kolobi Ika, Abi? I say, what did they do, man? There she go. Where's she? Don't die. Come down. Come down.
I don't see her.
What do you mean, no see him? Why you keep him?
I don't see her.
I go kill you today.
I don't see her. I swear, I don't see her. I swear. All of us been there here. I don't see her.
I tell your motor, follow me. Drive, follow me now.
This kind girl I never see. DIKACHI not the loose girl. Sapele water.
No! No! Why does she have so much power over me? Why does she escape my powers each time she gets to me? Why, mother? Why? I need answers, mother. Why does she have such powers over me? She has disgraced me, mother. Mother, I need answers. I need answers. Mother. Ah! No!
Okay. Calm down. Lolo has joined her son. You know the worst? They chased me out from the palace. Richard wants to become the king. I remember you promised me that I'm going to be the king after offering my manhood as a sacrifice. What is going on? Eh? Are you afraid to destroy the palace? Let me even ask you, why is Richard still alive?
Enough, Onowu! Enough! I have not forgotten my promise. I have unfinished business. I have a score to settle, a brutal one. Yes, the driver, she has powers. She has been the one protecting the prince. I need to find the source of her powers, Onowu, before it gets out of hand.
We have to do everything very fast. We need to be very fast before it gets out of hand. Weke, if we cannot lure the prince to your chamber, why not cut off his head? Kill him! Kill him! Whichever way. Anything that will want to stop us, destroy it.
Go! Onowu, go! Go and let me commune with the gods. Let me speak to my mother. Let me speak to my mother. Nemo!
I'm waiting.
Nemo!
I'm waiting.
Abagana! Abagana! Hey! Hey!
I tell you. Eh? Akuna, I warn you, but you don't listen to me. You don't really believe me. See her now.
Ah, my husband. She's even driving my husband's car. Hey! Chibeguomo! Ah.
See what will happen, eh? Make the car just park for this compound. And they come.
Hi, God of my husband. Hey! Why you, baby?
Stop crying. You should thank God you have a brave sister like her. A fearless girl of her age. Look, the truth of the matter is that we were there and we saw Obinna. Obinna is completely healed. But she has converted him.
Hey! Timo, Uncle, what do I do? How do I get my husband back now? What do I do now?
Mommy, let us go there. Let's go there.
Yes, I'm going. I'm going to get my husband back. I will not sit here and watch another woman take over my husband. It will not happen. Come, let us change. I'm going to get my husband. I will not stay here and allow another woman take my husband away.
Be careful, though. You have to tread with caution. Hey. I have to report this.
My queen, please, help me. Have I not warned you not to show your face in my kingdom again, Amarachuku? Listen to yourself. Are we not friends? We are friends. Huh? Please help your friend. My kingdom is about to catch fire. Please, that is your cross. I don't care. I have no cross to bear. This revelation is very clear. Everybody suffered it, including your daughter. Okay, now, how do I know that Richard is about to marry your daughter? Tell me. Good, you know. It's good. He will turn her into a dog. Shut up! Shut up your mouth, you demented queen. Oh, so you think you will come and feed me with your cock and bull fairy tale stories? Newsflash, I will not believe you. I will not believe you. Lol, from the depth of my innocent heart, I apologize for all my wrongdoings. Please, my good friend, do not entertain or dine with the devil. Even the devil wears white. A songwriter said it. Yes. And the devil wears royal apparels. Because you are the devil. Amarachuku, you are the devil. Now get out. Get out of my kingdom before I lose it. Out! I'll never show your face here again. Think about it, please. Get out. It's alright, thank you. Foolish woman. Get out! My kingdom is about to miss it. Lose your kingdom, it serves you right. Foolish, useless woman. Rubbish. You need to come and help me.
How dare you? How dare you come into my abode and try to take my husband away from me? How dare you? How dare you? Today, I will make you know the taste of pain and have the feel of death. By the time I am through with you today, you will know yourself. Yes, okay. Okay. Move it. Move. Move. Go get me my car, now.
Yes, Mommy.
Fast!
Oh, no.
I vow to make you my queen. Is it not yet time to take over the throne? I told you, I must rule this land.
The queen and the prince have to die. They have to die.
You must do that. You have to take Onowu along. He is scheming for the throne. Take him out. Take him off.
No evil shall go unpunished. No evil shall go unpunished.
My queen, na beg I dey beg. My prince no dey fake anything o. He like your pikin genuinely. No be small battle we dey battle for this culture matter o. In fact, we no gree. Even my head dey there. You see that stupid Paulina? If I catch am, I go uproot her head.
And who is Paulina?
Ha! Now one yeye priestess where they deceive the whole village, they fool everybody. My queen, I beg, allow your daughter to marry my Oga. My Oga loves her genuinely. I beg.
You are too young to understand. Yes.
Greetings, my queen.
How are you?
I bring you good tidings.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
You can leave, okay? Yes.
But that's what I tell you, think calm.
No
I beg. I beg.
Take care, okay? My dear, let's go inside.
Okay, very well.
My prisoner, that guy be the problem. Oh. The guy they spread, they get pride, they do anyhow. Now they whine the queen brain. Eh? I know that they talk. In fact, I see him as a bad person.
Did you see the princess?
I don't see him for there. But no worry. No lose guard. Maintain your steez. They feel whine us, but no panic. Something I will advise them. We could go back to that palace. It's either Princess Uriel or nothing.
You know, DIKACHI, I am trying to understand you. How were you able to attack Mweke, the almighty priestess of this land?
My prince. Now they hype this girl. That girl no be anything. She no get doings. See, on a normal Mweke supposed to fear me. River call no me say fish go wear jacket o. Tree near tree, I give monkey morale to dey jump up and down. If I catch Paulina, she go be stew. See that slap when she slap me, I must give her back.
My mom had a revelation. She said the priestess, Onowu, Richard, they are all planning on taking over the kingdom.
Your kingdom? They no fit. They no reach. How? Your papa kingdom, they what? They no fit try am. See my prince. I want, reason something with you. As you don't make me your special advisor to the palace, I go advise say, make you banish Paulina, Onowu, and her supporters out from this kingdom. They get evil intention, they be bad people. I don't they feel am. It don't they. Why don't they feel am? Think am. Whether they talk make sense.
Priestess, wake, spiritual, not be physical. At all, wake, physical, not be spiritual. At all, wake, your ginger don't pass over, your swagger don't pass over. Jai, it is holy. The eyes of the ghost, priestess of Umunze, wake. Now wait till you want to wake, spiritual, not be physical. Wake.
Good. I need a cool massage. Come give me inside.
Don't pass over. Your swagger don't pass over.
I don't need to explain further.
Their plans, my queen. Prissy Kim has been sleeping with the servants of the dead. Do not listen to the mother. It's a mirage, and this is a game.
Why do you want the throne of Umun's kingdom?
Very simple. To rewrite the history and abolish evil cultures and practices which Prince Ikim, the mother, and Weke has held dear to their heart. You see, my people want me. They need me to be their king. They have prayed for me. They have cried. And if it's the last thing I will do, I will ensure that I abolish the evil act of sleeping with a serpent in Umun's kingdom. Weke is that serpent. And that has to stop. My queen, this is the reason I want your daughter to be by my side. To be my queen at the end of this.
Young man, I'm beginning to question your character and your visit in this our kingdom. I don't see you as a normal human being. I must warn you, stop deceiving our Royal Highness, because you are evil. As Onowu of Chairs Kingdom, this is the last time I will tell you this.
No evil shall go unpunished. No evil shall go unpunished. What you think you know, someone else knows it more than you.
Ijoma, you are reinstated to your position.
Thank you, my queen. I'm
You're
so
welcome.
happy. Thank you very much.
Uju, my queen, your father is working against the peace of this kingdom, not just the palace. And from my findings, you are breeding evil. You have been using your position to subdue everybody under you.
No, it's a lie. This one is a lie.
Shut up! Your services are no longer needed.
Ah.
Leave this palace!
I'm sorry, forgive
I said get out of this palace before I shoot you.
It's my father that is at fault. It's not me.
Your services are no longer needed. Guard!
It's my queen. It's my queen. I'm sorry.
Oh.
My brother, I don't know you're my brother. I'm sorry. Let me. Please, my queen, please.
ekwe mgba dike ekwe anọkwa mbe m ekwe iwe chọrọ mbịa ekwe mgba dike ekwe mgba dike ekwe anọkwa mbe m ekwe iwe chọrọ mbịa ekwe mgba dike.
Young man, he was not the first person that entered the office. It was the female driver. That is why the charm did not work.
I don't understand. I don't get it, wise one. I don't understand. What concerns the girl and the charm? I don't get it. I'm just coming back from the police station where I signed an undertaking that I'm going to pay every dime I took from that man. We're talking about millions here. Wise one. I don't have it. I don't have it. The charm you gave to me did not work. It didn't work. I was humiliated. I was embarrassed. Wise one, it didn't work.
That is not my business. Like I told you earlier, that is what my gods are telling me. And my gods cannot lie. The female driver is your problem.
What do I do now? What do I do? Wise one, kill him.
Eh?
Yes, kill him. Wise one, waste him.
You want me to kill the prince?
Kill the prince, waste him. Listen, Wise one, I don't have 1 million, not even a dime to give to him. I don't want him to ask for that money again. Just kill him, waste him. Send him to the great beyond. Yes. Kill him.
Ikuku. Ikuku. You have heard what he said. Eh? Nekunan manu. Take this.
Again, wise one. Okay.
Spread this white substance in the office. As soon as he enters, they will have serious headache and he will die after 2 days.
Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Hey! Idika the Great.
Oh, more.
The greatest of all time. Okay. Anungangampi. I trust you. Thank you so much.
Your money is 200,000. Cash or transfer.
Wise one. Transfer as usual. I have my phone here. Let me run it.
No evil shall go unpunished. No evil shall go unpunished. What you think you know, someone else knows it.
You have no other option than to help me. Just help me, please. Listen, Olivia. All I need right now is the access code to the door of his office. Alright?
What do you want to do?
Olivia, it's none of your business, alright? Listen, I lost my job. And I want my job back. I can't be humiliated like this. I can't. Don't you get it?
You know you can't pass through the gate anymore. The security will not allow you in.
Distract them. Yes. Olivia, send them on an errand. Just push them away from the scene. Do you understand? All I just need is just the access code to his door so I can go into the office. Babe, once I get in there, we are made for life. We are rich. I know you have a plan. You know I told you. I will take you out of this country. I'll divorce my wife first. I'll take you out of this country and I will get married to you. I'll give you a dream wedding, my love. And we'll live happily over there. Alright? But all I need right now is the access code to his office. Alright?
Fine.
Only you have it.
Fine.
Only you have it. Alright?
Yeah.
Just give it to me now that it's not around. That's all I want.
Fine. You know what? You have to be very careful. You have to. I'll switch off the light and off the camera. Just do whatever you want to do and get out.
Oh yes, baby. You know I trust you. I trust you so much. Alright? Don't worry. I won't waste even 1 second. Just finish everything. I have to be there. And I'll come out.
It's
Alright?
fine. It's fine.
Thank you so much. So, what about the security guys?
Don't worry about them. But please, first thing tomorrow morning, you have to be here before the boss comes.
Oh, yes, sure. Who's coming? Oh, that's not him. Alright? Please, babe, Olivia, I trust you so much.
Just go. Just very careful.
Because I'm wise.
Prince King.
Okay, I see the fire here. Eh?
No. It's not what you think, oh. It's not what you think.
You carry your wishy come here. It don't be for you today.
Let's just settle this here. Please, out. Okay, 2 million.
Don't fire your papa, you the mad. What is your money do? What is your money do?
Please, I beg you.
Hey, your own don't finish today. Your own don't end. They say you come. Wait, I will stab you. This is they follow you. Go back.
I'm begging you.
This is they follow you. Please now, please. Please. I will blow your throat and your esophagus go fly. I will blow. Come here. What did you go do for here? Who give you the code to this place? Who give you the code to this place?
DIKACHI, please.
How you take enter here?
DIKACHI, please.
How you take speak enter here? Get up. I'm coming.
Bye, go.
DIKACHI. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am grateful. If not for you, I wonder what that demon would have done. Thank you. I mean, with you, I have a very strong confidence that this is the reason why you came. I am so grateful. Thank you for standing by my side.
Ogana God we could thank you. Na here run am. But I dey grateful. I'm grateful. As I get wetin I would like reason with you. As the matter be now, it will make you change away before matter go change. You understand? And that big man, put eye for him. I don't trust that man. You get as they do, he way no pure. If they waka for your back, put eye for him.
Trust me, I'm on it. Yeah, I'm on it.
Permission to fall out, sir.
This kind girl I never see. DIKACHI no dey lose guard. Sapele water.
My love, my mom locked me up in this house. Yes. You need to come get me out from here, please. She wants me to accept Richard, and she's mean this time. Baby, you need to come, please. I'm dying, please. Alright.
She's ready, she go give you, she no send you. She's ready, she go give you, she no send you.
Mother, you're not protecting me. This is not protection. You are hurting me. Yes, you are. You are trying to show me how mean you can be. Mother, Prince Ikemefuna is my love, and my love it will be. Richard is just brainwashing you.
Let me tell you, Richard will be the king, and he will marry you. And he will abolish all this rubbish tradition.
No, Mother. No. There is no culture as sleeping with the servant of a deity. There is no culture as that. This is all conspiracy to destroy the royal house. Mother, please. We need to help him fight, not fighting against him, please.
You have fooled me before you will. And I will not allow you to do it a second time, okay?
Mother, this is a matter of the heart. Yes.
You matter to me, my darling daughter. And I will not allow you to endanger your life in the name of marriage and love.
Mother, please, let me go. Please, I'm begging you, please.
Until you learn how to obey me.
Mother, you can't do this to your only daughter, please.
I have done that already. Sapporo! Sapporo, please come. If she refuses to eat her food, call the chef and let him take it back. We have so many hungry people in this kingdom to feed. And make sure she does not leave this palace. Mother, please, you can't do this to me, please. You can't do this to your only daughter, please.
No evil shall go unpunished.
Out.
No evil
I said get out.
shall go unpunished. What you think you know?
My queen.
You know you are not welcome to my abode. So why are you here?
My queen, I am here to see Princess Uriel. She told me everything. Everything that has been happening. And I'm here to let you know that I am also a prince. I do not go back to my words.
You are having an affair with the servant of the deity called Nweke.
Na lie. That na bloody lie.
DIKACHI.
Sorry, my prince.
My queen, you know me too well. You know me.
I do not know you. Even if I know you, people change.
I love your daughter so much. I love the princess. Nothing can change that. I am ready to prove my love for her.
Help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Help! Somebody help! 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 Somebody help! Help! Help!
I will eat you today.
Okay, please. I beg you in the name of God, in the name of anything you serve, please. Just spare our lives and let us go.
Shut up!
Shut up! You had no power over me and my mother. Try me.
Ah! You little brat! I will eat you now!
Please.
Ah!
She's just a child. She's just a child, please. She's just a child, please. I beg you.
I will eat you!
She's just a child.
Abagana! Abagana!
She's just a child.
Abagana!
She's just a child. Hey! Wait a minute.
Mommy, what is it?
I had a dream where she was trying to eat you. Are you okay?
Mommy, she will not harm us. Leave me. My big auntie will find us.
I know, my child, I know. Thank God you're fine. I know.
Paulina no be herbalist. I no know am to be herbalist. Now mama now I know say they cure people. Oh. No be Paulina. Ha! Make you no go scatter your husband remaining leg. Oh. Come marry your husband. You better reject this thing. Reject him.
I reject it in the name of God. God forbid. Which one is marry my husband? How can a herbalist marry my husband? Why would you even say a thing like that?
See, the person who suggests this idea give you, you don't know what they do. No be Paulina, I too know that girl. I sabi am, and she know say I know am. See, you go better make una allow me make I carry my in-law go another place where they go treat am. Because even if Paulina succeed in treating that man, Paulina too like man. He go marry him.
Clean your mouth, Aveg. Stop saying this thing you're saying. Which one is you go marry him? Why are you even saying it? Please stop saying it.
I know
There is power in the tongue.
I know leave power in the tongue. I know what they talk. You know Paulina reach me. I go the version that you no go hear until it go happen. Your husband tall, fresh, come fine. Ha! Paulina when I know. Your husband don't go.
Why are you even talking like this? Am I the one that took him there? It's uncle that took him there. Or do you want them to say that I don't want my husband to be
you? Sometimes you go to use your sense. You see that kind young girl where fine, send a native doctor. You don't feel carry your husband, but you leave her.
Please, I don't like this thing you're saying. Are you adding salt to my injury? What do you want me to have BP now? Eh?
Now me they talk say they add salt and injury because junior sister when they hear what they enter wahala. No worry, when it go happen, no near me.
Nothing they happen. I reject it. Nothing they happen. Ha!
Okay. No say I don't want you, Sha. Paulina, where follow man go Aba, leave school. You don't be you. Your husband don't go. They go use Igbolo hair like sponge. Ah!
stop it. Biko, I beg you in the name of God. Nobody's using my husband's bola. Nobody.
The bola don't go. Forget them. Not be your own again.
No, my bola. You know they go.
Not be your bola.
Not my bola.
You not get sense. It cannot be your bola. Why you gonna leave your bola for that kind of fine girl?
My bola is my bola. Nobody's taking my bola.
No wahala.
Oh, my sister warned me. Oh, DIKACHI warned me. Oh, God. I should have listened to my sister. I should have. Ah, God.
Mommy, someone will come and rescue us, and that person is my auntie.
Tonight, you shall be sacrificed to the gods. What? Especially you, little wagging little lad.
Please, I beg you, in the name of in the name of anything you worship, please, I beg you, have mercy on me and my daughter. She's just a child. Delight, apologize to her. Apologize. Say you're sorry.
I am not sorry. You only rant, but cannot touch us. My auntie will save us.
We shall see who will come save you in this lonely graveyard. We shall see by the time I am done with you.
Oh. Have mercy.
Honor who removed me from Council of Elders because I never supported making that young girl the priestess of this land, because I know she will abuse the power that comes with that office and the secrecy that is required of her, that she might not be able to keep it. But Ono and the choker for worked against me. I was thrown out of the elders in council. But today I have been vindicated by the gods. Everything I said is playing out now. As we speak, Nweke have colonized a male patient that she's treating. And the young man happened to be my nephew, Ubina. Nweke charmed him. He don't know what he's doing again. And Nweke declared that he is now her husband. The young man we are talking about has a wife and a daughter. My queen, he needs help. He needs help. And my brother, Mbakwe, I've been looking for him everywhere. I can't find him. My queen, things are not okay in this kingdom. Please, something needs to be done.
You mean Nweke abducted a man that went to take treatment in her house?
Yes.
Someone's husband?
Yes. The young man in question is my nephew, Ubina. He don't even understand what he's doing again. And as we speak, Nweke has been driving his car everywhere in this town. My queen, please, we need to rescue Ubina from Nweke before she destroys his family.
Wait first. Where is his family now? I mean, the wife and the daughter you mentioned.
They went to look for Ubina in Nweke's place. After some time, they didn't come back. And I was worried. I now followed up. I went to Nweke's place. I didn't see Nweke. I didn't see Ubina. I didn't see them. And I've been searching for them everywhere for days now. My queen, I think they're in trouble. Please, we need to do something to help them.
I've heard you. From the look of things, I don't think all is well. But I am certain I will get to the root of this matter. Even in this palace, all is not well. Yeah. I don't think everything is alright.
Thank you, my queen. I'll be on my way now.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Please, my regards to your family.
No evil shall go unpunished. No evil shall go unpunished. What you think you know, someone else knows it more than you. Ooh, ooh. You cannot do beyond your limit. No matter your magic, no matter your tricks. What you think you know, another knows it.
How dare you bang at my door? Have you lost it?
The queen demands your presence immediately.
Now honor your queen and come with us to the palace right now.
Obinna! Obinna!
Mommy.
You fool! How dare you wait for me to call you twice?
My apologies.
I am stepping out. Make sure you don't come outside. Lock yourself inside. Am I understood?
Oh, Mommy.
On no account should you open the door. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Mommy.
Now get out. I said inside. After you.
Spiritual, no be physical. At all. Wake, physical, no be spiritual. At all. Wake, your ginger don't pass over. Don't pass over. Your swagger don't pass over. Jai, it is holy. The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umunze. Wake. Now what do you want to
The gods are no longer with your son, for he has failed the gods. Therefore, will no longer be crowned king. You and your son have 7 days to vacate this palace, else thunder and lightning shall befall you all.
Weke, where are the guards I sent to call you?
They were slowing my pace, but I am here now.
I heard you cornered a patient that came to take treatment in your house. A man with a family?
Lies! Oh, lies! I know that they will try to destroy me, but they will fail woefully. Because I, Weke, I shall scatter all of them. Woman, like I said earlier, you have 7 days. 7 days! 7 whole days! 7 days!
You cannot do beyond your limit. No matter your magic, no matter your tricks. What you think you know, another knows it.
What are you doing for here?
Actually, I was on my way to your house. There is this news that came this morning about your sister and her daughter missing. Same as Obinna, Mbakwe and Weke.
Chimo?
Yes.
Chimo? My sister, her Pekin, and my in-law, they miss. Yes. How manage? Who give you this information?
Actually, it was Ichie On that came to the palace this morning to inform us about this. And the queen asked me to come and relate this to you.
Hey! Hey! Are they come? Hey!
Agabidu! do? Arise! Arise!
Paulina! Where you keep my niece, my sister and her husband? Talk!
DIKACHI! I have been waiting for you. You have overstepped your boundaries and today you must pay!
They're mad. I go waste you now if you don't talk. Where you keep them?
Agapidu! I have done all you have asked me to do. Do not let her disgrace me. I must defeat her. Today must be her end.
Okay. Go on and tell your body, Abi. More run a street, Ajay. Woman to woman. Oh yeah. Bring him. I go kill you today. You see today, you must end. You mad, Abi? You mad? Go now. There she there. Paulina. Come out. Where you there? Why they run? I cannot kill you. Cannot kill Paulina. Paulina. Where she go? Paulina.
Oh no, you will not claim ignorance of my earnest desire in this kingdom. In case you don't know or you've forgotten, I say it again, and I mean every word of it. I will be the king. I want to be the king.
You can't be the king. Your clan are not meant to be king.
What about you? Are you meant to be the king? So tell me, why are you after the throne of Omunze kingdom? You think I do not know? Wege told me how desperate you are over the set throne. You see, you cannot be the king and at the same time be the kingmaker. Things doesn't work that way. Oh yes, you can be bad and at the same time be greedy. But that's not a problem. That's not why I called you here. We're going to do it this way. I, Richard Ugochukwu, I will make you an offer that will calm your nerves. This is the deal. I will be offering you 5 million naira to go home and relax. I do not want you to battle with me on this. Do I make myself clear?
Richard, to hell with your offer. I'm getting down from this cow. My decision is final. You can't be the king.
Hold on, it has not got into that.
Now,
right?
Richard, let me tell you.
Right.
See, it's not everything that money can buy. I have my own plans too. Are you hearing me? I've been watching you. You know, vulture has no business in the gathering of eagles. Ugochukwu, you can't be the king.
That is true, my friend. Vulture, you say. And when you talked about vulture, I see. Look at this vulture. You see a vulture. This time you don't call people names. Fool.
You cannot do beyond your limit. No matter your magic, no matter your tricks. What you think you know, another knows it. You cannot get everything with tricks, because I'm wise. Because I'm wise. cannot outsmart the ghost. You cannot run faster than your shadow.
This young man as the next king of this kingdom. Are you out of your mind? We are talking about Olowu that is dead. That was found by the roadside. And remember, you had the guts to tell the prince and the mother to evacuate the palace for who? For this young man? Are you out of your senses?
Richard Ugochukwu, I want you out of my palace right now.
Shut up. Michelle, who gave you the power and authority to utter that?
My prince, disregard this man. He's completely blind and mad.
Hey!
I am giving you 2 seconds to vacate this palace.
I do not have all the time.
Prince Ikemefuna, today I end your existence. You shall meet your ancestors today for disobeying me.
Hey! Drop the gun!
That thing what you think say you know, another person don't know.
Shut!
Where you keep my sister, her pikin, and her husband? Where you keep them?
DIKACHI, I have an unfinished business with you, and today will be your end!
Things are they follow you play? I thought you said make you not try me. Where you keep them?
Please don't kill me.
Where you keep them?
I'm sorry.
Things are they follow you play, Abi? Oh, get up! Two of you follow me. Get up! All of you, including you. Move! Get up! I will shoot your head. Oh yeah, 2 of you now. Get up! Up! I'm going to lock 2 of you now for guard room. Move. Like, get up! Move! Carry on. Take your stupid... Take your nonsense. Move! You're mad.
Thank you very much.
I don't want you.
God who bless you.
What the fuck with me? You know they're here. I'll punish you.
This kind girl I never see him. DIKACHI no de lose guard. Gengem. Sapele water. Gengem. If you don't see, you know hear. Gengem. If you know hear, you know see. Gengem. DIKACHI no be mugu at all. DIKACHI Wazico, the lioness in woman form. Anyhow we be, she not the shake. Any walk at all.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. You good, right? You're welcome.
Thank you. My daughter. You're welcome to my kingdom. Thank you, my friend.
You're welcome.
My prince, my queen, by the power vested on me, I present to you your wife to be.
You cannot do beyond your limit. No matter your magic, no matter your tricks. What you think you know, another knows it. You cannot get everything with tricks, because I'm wise.
Senior, please forgive me. I am sorry. I don't know what came over me. Please forgive me. My mother wants me. Oh, she wants me, but I did not listen. She wants me.
Your mother warned you. You did not listen. You have the mind to kill Mbakwe. In fact, in this kingdom, you are gone. You are finished.
Mbakwe was a very bad man. He wanted me to kill Obinna so that he can marry his wife and inherit his properties. I killed him on a very good cause.
Very good cause. We know that good cause. The good cause is going Mbakwe is disturbing you to release Obinna. That's why you killed him, so that you will now marry Obinna that's not your husband. Is that not the good cause?
That will not concern me. The thing when concern me now, na to find my niece and my sister. I tell you, say you no be good person, you be thief. You be fake person. You dey try who pass you. You leave the work where the gods call you, make you come do. You go dey follow man, you dey follow Gbola. You heal, you collect. You dey packet prick up and down. I never touch you now. I'm not gonna forgive you. Get up, they go.
Go and show us where they are.
Carry on. I will mash you for you now.
Priestess, wake.
My own queen mother. Oh my God. It's so good to see you again. Good to see you too. So how have you been? Thank God. I'm so sorry for the uproar. I'm not believing.
It's all right. It's in the past now. Please, let us go inside.
I have missed you.
I've missed you too. We have a lot to talk about. Okay. We have a lot of plans to make.
Yes.
Remember?
Yes.
The coronation.
At the wedding.
You cannot do beyond your limit. No matter your magic, no matter your tricks. What you think you know, another knows it. You cannot get everything with tricks, because I'm wise.
What are you doing here? What have you come to do in my house? You piece of shit! Akuna. I don't offer battery, nothing there again. She don't get power again. I don't want sham.
Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Mbakwe manipulated me into doing all that I did. Please forgive me. And that was why I killed him. Yes, I killed him, Mbakwe.
Anyways, it's good that Mbakwe die. Person where plan death for person normally supposed die. Because if to say that man not die, what I for do am?
Where is my husband?
Where is my husband? goat. You don't understand. After you don't use them, knock the ball up and down. That one no reach you. You turn am to goat, no fear. You wicked though. You know what I get up? Go. Get up, and they don't banish you now. Go. Oh! I don't banish you. If I see you for this village again, what did I go to you? You don't go believe I take off. You're mad. Move. Please. Oh, yeah.
I'm so sorry, my love. I'm sorry about everything that's happened. I don't really know what's happened. Sorry for not trusting you.
It's okay. I understand. It wasn't your fault. It was Onweke and her evil plots. I'm glad you're home.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I told you my auntie will come for you. How are you feeling now?
I'm good, my love. How are you?
Fine. Yes, you said it's my child.
Come, let's go.
I'm so glad you're home.
Thank you.
No evil shall go unpunished. No evil shall go unpunished. What you think you know, someone else knows it more than you. Ooh. Ooh. You cannot do beyond your limit. No matter your magic, no matter your tricks. What you think you know, another knows it. You cannot get everything with tricks, because I'm wise. Because I'm wise. You cannot outsmart the ghost. You cannot run faster than your shadow.
O God of my land, I have wasted this opportunity to serve and protect my people from evil. I am a disgrace to my late mother. Oh, mother, forgive me. I cannot continue living. Abagana, my great mother, I am coming to you. I thought myself above the gods and morality. My loss for men has ended me.
Priestess, wake, spiritual, not be physical. At all, wake, physical, not be spiritual. At all, wake, your ginger don't pass over. Don't pass over. Your swagger don't pass over. Jai, it is a holy. The eyes of the ghost, priestess of Umuze, wake. Now what do you want to wake, spiritual, not be physical. Wake, physical no be spiritual. Wake your ginger don't pass over, don't pass over. Your swagger don't pass over. Chai, it is for holy. Priestess, wake. Spiritual, no be physical. At all. Wake. Physical, no be spiritual. At all. Wake. Your ginger don't pass over. Don't pass over. Your swagger don't pass over. Chai, it is for holy. The eyes of the ghost, priestess of Umunze. Wake. Now what do you want to wake? Spiritual no be physical. Wake. Physical no be spiritual. Wake. Your ginger don't pass over. Don't pass over. Your swagger don't pass over. Chai, it is for holy.
Bueno. Umuntu zona. Umuntu zakene muno.
No.
Bueno. Umuntu zona. We are here to congratulate you on your coronation and marriage.
Thank you very much. You all are welcome. Let us marry and enjoy this day. Music, please.
Music.
Please, you all will pardon me. I have an important issue to attend to. I will join you shortly.
Okay.
Mother, I'll be back.
My king, God said they call me.
I can see you're enjoying yourself.
Yes, so this coronation rice sweet though.
DIKACHI.
Sir?
Thank you so much. Thank you for helping me to this point. I really appreciate.
You're welcome, sir. And my work I did do.
This is for you.
What's it with this?
It's a gift from me to you. Yes, you deserve it. You are indeed a heroine of our time. A great woman. You deserve it. You deserve more.
Hey, Oga, you don't buy me car. DIKACHI don't get car. Hey! Hey! Oga, I get motor now. Hey! Make I go tell my sister the good news.
Come on, enjoy your meal first.
Eh?
Yes.
Okay, I'll go tell her later. Hey! Hey! DIKACHI don't get car. Hey!
This kind girl I never see. DIKACHI no dey lose guard.
My king. I beg, as they go, tell one of the guys make they bring drink, make I take step am down. Take step this rice, eh? Thank you. God bless you for me. Oh, who get you? Get people. Hey!
The lioness in woman form. Anyhow we be, she not dey shake you.
Honestly, I can't thank you enough. I'm really lucky to have a sister like you.
Thank you. Don't worry. I go come Lagos, come see you now. I must come.
And yes, congratulations on your new car. It's really beautiful.
Thank you, my sister. Now God, oh. You know, say these days they very busy for palace because they don't make me the special advisor to the royal palace. So then they get chance for many things. But don't worry, you see, this my Didi. I must come Lagos for your graduation day. I must come. I'm coming for you. Didi! Be a good girl, oh.
Okay, let's go.
Words cannot express how grateful I am. Thank you so much for everything that you did for us. Thank you. I'm so grateful to have you as my sister-in-law.
You mind like there for you. I must there for you always.
Thank you.
Hey, you're welcome. No wahala. Take care of yourself too. Drive carefully, oh. If I they follow on for back as now they go, and they drive follow on for back. Didi, I go miss you now.
This kind girl I never see him. DIKACHI no dey lose guard. Geng geng. Sapele water. Geng geng. If you don't see, you know hear. Geng geng. If you don't hear, you don't see. Geng geng.
As your father, and as I pray for you today, may the gods of the land bless you.
Yes,
May the gods of the land keep you on your throne and give you a long life.
Yes, Father, where are you going to?
It's time to rest. I want to go and sleep.
You cannot do beyond your limit. No matter your magic, no matter your tricks. What you think you know, another knows it. You cannot get everything with tricks, because I'm wise. Because I'm wise. You cannot outsmart the ghost. You cannot run faster than your shot.